Hi. I have a Blomberg fridge and it is coming up with E4. Do you know how to fix it?
Do you know the model of your Blomberg fridge? How old is it?
I believe it is new, but I'm so sorry I don't know.
The Appliance Technician can help you find the model number for your refrigerator. I'll connect you shortly. How long has this been going on with your Blomberg refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
The power just went off and back on, and it has been flashing ever since for 5 minutes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, that's all, thank you. Hello, I have a question about my Blomberg fridge.
Hi, my name is. I've been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. E4 means heater error. You will have to replace heater that is located on the evaporator in the freezer.
Okay, do you know how much this is approximately? Can I do this myself or do I need to call someone?
I have no idea if you can do it yourself. It will likely cost about $200 to have a service repair it.
Okay, thanks for your insight. Can I ask you another question?
Sure thing.
Not only is my fridge broken, but my stovetop stopped working all of a sudden. I may have shorted it. It isn't responding at all and it's plugged into the wall as usual. The microwave is plugged into the same outlet and working fine. Do you know if I can press the buttons in a certain way to restart it, or is it stuffed?
Will you open a new question and request me, please? You can add me to your favorites from the My Questions page, and if you start the question with words for customer quote, then that will request me. I surely want to be your go-to expert.
Will do. Another question quickly about the fridge. Will it be okay if it doesn't get serviced for a week? What's its lifespan looking like?
It will probably ice over and stop cooling, which also can cause damage to the cooling system, so best to get it serviced if it starts cooling poorly.
Okay, but it will be okay for another week, you reckon?
Likely so.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.